Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to design some under tray toolboxes in Inventor. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and leave a comment for any video requests. Thanks for watching. So we're just going to start off by grabbing a few measurements. So I'm going to get the angle, which is 117 degrees. We're also going to roughly find out the length, so 940. So we'll make the length of the box 875. And so we'll make the depth of it 275. So we're going to go File, New. We'll go 3mm. We'll go aluminium, but we'll change the default to 3mm. So we've got our bend radius 0.01 and 3mm aluminium. Save and close. So we're going to start with a sketch. Going to go 2-point center rectangle. We're just going to draw it 875 by 275, and then finish the sketch. Now we're going to add the face to it. Apply. Now we're going to draw the profile on it. So right click and go New Sketch. I'm going to go from this point here. I'm going to go 63 degrees. And then from here we're going to go 150 down. And straight across to there. So X to trim. And fill in the top. Fill in side, sorry. Cut that out. And finish your sketch. Now we're going to select cut and go your two profiles there. Through the thickness, go cut normal. Okay. And that's the profile of it. So we'll just quickly save it. Now we'll come over to here and insert it. So right click, place component. Place it. Now we're just going to constrain the face of it with, we'll offset -30. Plus 30. Apply. Now we're going to mate with the edge of the sheet to the bottom of the tray. Apply. And then the edge of the sheet to the edge of the mudguard. Apply. The rough size. And we'll go back to it and we'll add some flanges. So we're going to go 250 deep, so 250. The gap size under corner will go 0.8 and apply. So we'll go 45 for the next one, all 4 sides, and we'll change the corner to 0.8. So we're going to go apply. Now we're just going to add go 20. And change the corner to 0.8. Should be the same. Apply. Then we're going to go this one, 14.5. Apply. Change that to 25 so we can get a smaller door on it. Just save it. Select show. I'll just delete this. Now we'll constrain it with the face to face of that. That didn't work. We'll go make. And we want to offset 20, roughly. Apply. So we'll do it again, constrain bottom of that. To the bottom of that, apply, face of that, to the face of that, apply. And then the face of this to the face of that. We'll offset it 10 mil. We'll go a bit more, we'll go 15. Apply. And that should be that. we'll just create the door for it. So we'll go new, go the same 5mm alley, and change the default. So we'll go change this to 3. We want our bend 0.01. Now we're going to draw the face of the door. So we're going to go new sketch, select your plane. I'm just going to draw the exact same profile again. So it was 875 by 275. Finish your sketch. Now add the face to it. Apply. And right click, new sketch. And draw it in again. So it was 63 degrees from the corner. Uh, 150 down. Straight across. So X to trim. Finish sketch. And then select cut. Select the two profiles. Cut through the thickness and cut normal. Now we're going to add some flanges. We're going to just select all 4. Change your corner gap size to 0.8. And we'll go 20mm. Apply. Change this to 13mm. Apply. That should be it. Just going to save it as now we're going to go back to our assembly. Right click, place component. Now we're going to constrain it. We're going to select the face here. And the face of the return. No, not like that. Go constrain and then mate the inside of the door to the face of the return. And then we're going to offset it. 3mm. Apply. Now we're going to go flush. Apply. And flush. Apply. That should be it.